What's good? So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons to go all in on a YouTube channel, and I'm going to speak from my experience. Currently, I've grown my channel to just 34 subscribers, but I've been able to land 2 clients for my content agency. So I know if you're watching this, you probably have 100, 400, you probably have a lot more subscribers than I have. So I know if it's worked for me, it's worked for you, because I've made the decision to go full-time with YouTube until I become a millionaire. And I hope you're going to make that decision too by the end of this video. The last reason is the most important reason. So without taking much of your time anymore, let's get into the video. The first reason is because YouTube allows you for creative expression. Now, what's creative expression? It basically means you have the ability to put any idea you create with video to show the world. So you can create whatever idea you have in your mind. YouTube allows you to be your most creative self, whether you think you're creative or not. So whether you're being an entertaining person, you're an entertainer, let's say like a Mr. Beast or Sidemen or Beta Squad, or you're more into educational content, Imangazi, Ali Abdal, whatever style you do, it allows you to actually tap into your creative energy and put it in front of people who might also like what you do. So, and these come in forms of ideas. So, different ideas work on YouTube. I've seen almost every niche on YouTube. So, I don't think there's a niche that you say work or doesn't work. I think everything works on YouTube. You just have to put in the work. So, but these are some common niches that have spanned from different ideas: gaming, entertainment, music, and education. So, I'll now show you 4 examples. For gaming, you have PewDiePie. I think everyone knows PewDiePie. If you don't know PewDiePie, you're probably living under a rock. He has built his channel to 111 million subscribers. That's a lot. Sorry. That's a lot of subscribers, basically. So, but he started actually, yeah, a lot of people might know him for being like a funny guy, but he started out posting Minecraft content, playing the game Minecraft. So that's how he started out. And he has been able to build a substantial subscribership. I think 101 million is a lot. 111, sorry, 111 million of anything is honestly a lot. So let's move on to the entertainment side. We have the Sidemen, 21 million subscribers. Yo, that's crazy. Then you have the legendary rapper. I'm a big fan of him myself. 59 million subscribers. In the music niche, then you have in the education niche Ali Abdel with 5 million subscribers. I know if you compare him to the other niches, it looks small, but 5 million is not. That's still an incredible feat. There are not a lot of creators in the educational niche that have that. So all these guys are doing very well in their different niches. And this is to show you that it is possible to get to this point. It is possible to actually build a career off of making YouTube videos. Besides whatever you're doing, you're a business coach, you're an entrepreneur, you're a content creator, you just want to start creating content. Whatever you want to do, having a YouTube channel is always a great way to build an additional source of income and to actually build real estate. Now, what do I mean by real estate? Ideas are basically intellectual property. In the music industry, when someone comes up with a song, he writes a song, he produces it, he has copyright. And copyright basically means he owns the intellectual property. The intellectual property is what prevents other people from copying him. So they have to take permission from him, usually with monetary incentive. So it's the same thing with your ideas. Now, with your videos, YouTube actually pays you for your videos, but at the same time, you are building intellectual property by posting so many different videos on different topics relating to your niche. And why is intellectual property important? It's important because this is how you build real estate, specifically real estate in people's minds. Now, let me explain this. Imagine you start posting your video, then someone sees it, your first video, and okay, he's good. Then you continue for 2 months. He's still like ignoring you, but he's seeing you uploading. Then by the fourth month, he's like, wow, this guy's on 10K subs now. I should check him out. And then all of a sudden, in a year or 6 months, even less, you might now have a diehard fan or client who is obsessed with your content. He can't go a day without consuming your content because you've built up such a massive real estate in their mind. That's basically what real estate does. It starts with a small apartment, then it increases to a house, maybe a bungalow, then let's say a duplex. Then after a duplex, it grows into an estate. Then from an estate, it now grows into something much bigger, like a city. And you have this in people's minds. So people are basically they are paying rent because they keep coming back to consume your content. So that's how you have real estate in people's mind. And real estate in people's minds is important for this second reason: community building. So now let's say, for example, let me use business coach. You're a business coach named John, and you have three different houses. In the first house, you have people who are aspiring entrepreneurs who live there. The second house, you have small business owners who live there. In the third house, you have corporate professionals who live there. So what happens is, and these three different people in these three different houses all stay in your estate. So your estate now, in this term, refers to, in this metaphor, refers to your YouTube channel, because your YouTube channel is housing three different types of people who all like and consume your content because they appreciate the expertise and knowledge that you share with them on a daily basis. So within the house, that the home that is your channel, the real estate you've built with the channel, you have multiple houses that are all based inside your channel. So you actually build a community of different people. You grow together, you learn together. And the reason why community building is so important is because you can do this with it. The third reason, you have monetizable options now, or opportunities. I've not seen any platform that has monetizable opportunities like YouTube, because YouTube works because it makes use of the most accessible currency in the world, the most exchangeable, the most accessible currency, and that is attention. This is honestly the most valuable currency. Why? It is easily interchangeable. If someone is willing to spend time on your content, trust me, they are willing to spend money on you, because time is money. If someone can give you their time, then potentially along the way they can give you their money. So because it's almost the best form of exchange, because it doesn't cost you anything to get attention first. With YouTube, because you're not paying for ads, you just have to make content, make high value content. And along the way, you can exchange it for dollars, you can exchange it for pounds, you can exchange it for naira, you can exchange it for yuans, yens, pesos, whatever currency your country uses. You can exchange this attention over time to another currency, and you can interchange it easily, because depending on whatever you're selling. Okay, let's say you're selling a $10 jacket. You can exchange it for $10. Okay, let's increase it up. Now you're selling something, maybe a $100 digital product. Cool. And now let's say you are now selling a course or a service that's worth $1,000. You can exchange it for that. Or let's say you're selling something even more expensive that costs like $10,000. It is so easy to actually exchange attention for this, because you've built trust already. You've built trust with the content. So this attention over time is easily converted into cash. You can easily liquidify attention, because it is the most valuable asset we have in this world, which is time. If people can give you their time, always remember they can give you their money. Like I said, digital products, physical products, courses, services, sponsorships, and you still have ad revenue. YouTube still pays you for the work you're doing. It's not as if they see what you're doing, they see the work you're putting in to bring more people to their platform, and they're going to pay you for that. So there's honestly no other platform like YouTube. It's so unique, it's so powerful, it gives a voice to every normal person. It's an amazing platform, and that is why this fourth reason I'm about to mention is so powerful. Personal branding. Now let's take a look at this example. You have a normal jacket, yeah? The jacket we talked about at the beginning, going for $10. Not bad, not crazy, just cool. It's going for $10. Now you have your Louis Vuitton jacket, and it's going for $1,000. Now, why would people? I wouldn't. I don't have that money. Why would someone pay for a Louis Vuitton jacket, pay $1,000 for a Louis Vuitton, then pay $10 for a normal jacket? Brand is amazing, because building a personal brand basically means over time you're increasing the value of your person, the value of yourself. Let me give you another example. You're in a room full of different people, and then all of a sudden a woman walks in. Okay, you don't really care. It's just she's a woman. She walked in. Then the woman who walks in after her, everyone is standing up. I don't want to take pictures with her, and you're like, why is everyone going crazy? Then you stand up to see what's going on, and then you see Kim Kardashian. You're like, oh my God, that's Kim Kardashian. That's Kanye's ex-wife. Why? Because she's easily recognizable. She has recognition, and you can associate her with something. You can actually associate her with Kanye. You can associate her with the other celebrities she's dated. And that's basically what brand is. Brand is recognition and association. What will people recognize you for? What will they associate you with? Very simple. And with YouTube, you take brand and you take content, then you have a crazy machine that's bringing you more money, bringing you more followers, more fans, more clients consistently. Because now you're putting it at scale with content. Because you can now take brand and put it at scale. How do you put it at scale? 3 videos a week, 2 videos a week, 4 shots every day, 7 shots a week. So it's a way to actually take brand. You can build brand at scale. That's why content is YouTube. Let me specifically video content on YouTube is an amazing way to grow your business, to grow your service, to grow whatever you are trying to grow. You might not even want to build a service. You just like posting videos about Game of Thrones. Do it. There's an audience there that is really good to listen to you. And when you have a service or you have a product that you want to push, some of them are going to buy. Why? Because of brand. They recognize you for something they love and they associate you with something they love. It's that simple. But all this leads to the final point: impact and influence. At the end of the day, when we all die, we're all going to die eventually, sooner or later. What are people going to say about you? Michael Jackson is no longer with us, same as Muhammad Ali, but they've left such an amazing legacy behind that no one is ever going to forget their name. The reason YouTube is special is because a lot of us can't sing like Michael Jackson. I definitely can't sing or dance like Michael Jackson. I can't box like Muhammad Ali, the greatest, king of pop. These guys, they've built such legacies and they've built crazy names. Using YouTube is so special because normal people like us can also have an impact and influence on thousands, potentially millions of people. Why? We show our expertise consistently. We build a brand showing what we are about, our personality, so that we can find people who trust us and trust the values that we portray. That is why YouTube is an amazing, amazing platform. These are 5 reasons I believe should make you jump off the fence and go into YouTube all in. Because if you don't care about this, then you'd be making money. I don't know anybody who doesn't like money, because you need money to basically survive. So I hope you make a decision now to actually take this serious. If you need help creating content, we are a content marketing and video editing agency. We can help you out. So just click the link in the description if you want to chat with us to see how you can start. So that's what I'm going to tell you today. I hope this inspired you to do something. I hope you do something. Remember to keep growing, keep learning. Bye.